Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm excited to share with you a few budget-friendly ideas that you can incorporate into your fall tablescape. So let's get started. What you're going to need are these things from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a foam pumpkin, the fleece scarves. I don't know if you guys have seen these in your stores yet, but they have the buffalo check. There's this real pretty navy blue plaid and this really cute kind of a tan plaid. You're going to need some maple leaves, burlap leaves, some silver plastic napkin rings, some rope cording, a cinnamon stick, and a Sharpie, and a glue gun. Okay, starting with the navy blue plaid scarf, I'm going to decorate this pumpkin. So what we're going to do is go ahead and remove the stem. So we're not going to need this for this project. Okay, so what you want to do is get the fabric and stretch it out quite a bit so that we can wrap it around the pumpkin. Once you've stretched it out, go ahead and put the pumpkin in the center. You're not going to really need any hot glue for this part. But what you're going to do is you're going to pull and tuck that inside. Just pull till you can cover up the pumpkin pretty well. You're going to bring it over and just stuff the inside in that hole. You could trim this off if you want to too, but you don't have to. You can just stuff that in there. And then cut about a few inches, about right here is probably good. And then you're just going to repeat that on this side. Stuff it in the hole. Make sure the pumpkin is entirely covered. There you go, you have your pumpkin covered with that scarf. And you're going to get your cinnamon stick, and you can trim it down if you like, or you can just stick it right in there. Like that. There's your stem. And then get your hot glue gun and put a little bit on the back of this burlap leaf. Put a little bit of glue there. And tack it to the stem. Just like that. And there you have a really cute, on-trend, fabric-covered pumpkin for your table. Next, what you're going to want to do is get a napkin ring and get the rope and attach some glue across the napkin ring like this. Add the rope, and what we're going to do is basically just wrap the rope around the napkin ring. And you can add as much glue as you like along the way and just continue to wrap. Once you get to the end, you go ahead and trim it. And then put some more glue. And you're all done. Super simple napkin ring. Okay. Just like that. There you go. Next thing you're going to do is cut your remaining scrap. You can probably cut it to about right here. I'd say that's about 14 inches or so. And then we're going to stretch it out as well, just because we want to make it a little wider. And when you stretch it out, it kind of curls it real cute at the end there. And this becomes your really cute napkin. Now what you're going to do is get one of the larger burlap leaves. So what you're going to do is just curl the end there around your finger to give it a little detail. And then what you're going to do is get your black Sharpie. You can go ahead and write someone's name, one of your guests' name. And there you have a cute little name card for your table. And now I'm going to show you how you can decorate the rest of your table using these items. And that's it! Super easy, budget-friendly ideas for your fall tablescape. I hope you like this idea, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye!